Believe it or not, as complex of a machine as the human brain is, the subconscious mind is actually very heavily influenced by simple commands and symbols, sort of like a computer keyboard. And when you use certain commands and symbols, it actually activates certain things in your mind to come forward. So you can really use this to your advantage to start creating and attracting more of what you want and manifesting much more easily when you learn these simple commands and symbols. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of my absolute favorite brain commands that works extremely quickly to shift into activation and receiving mode when it comes to manifesting. This is the mode you want to be in. This technique is truly so effective that it will not only help you manifest what it is that you want and bring that to the forefront of your mind, but it will also help you to attract bigger and better circumstances and situations and things probably greater than you ever expected. Hello and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach and manifesting expert focused on getting you transformational results. My whole channel is all about manifesting, the law of attraction with meditations and more, where I share the tools you need to get the results you want. I post brand new videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to subscribe and also hit that bell notification down below so you don't miss whenever I post a new video. There's tons of free trainings, meditations, so many things you won't want to miss. So once you do that, let's get right into it. So let's get into the specific command sequence that you're going to use. And please listen to me when I say, do not overthink this. Do not fall into that trap. Most of the time, when people are trying to manifest something and it's not working, it's because they're overthinking it to death, which in turn actually blocks it from happening. Mind is focused on solution. So these commands help bring forward the solution for you from the path of least resistance. Don't overthink it. Are you ready? This is going to be in a sequence of 3 commands that you will say while producing either a feeling, an image, or a thought to go with it. This really not only commands, but also shows your brain what to bring forth. It's very effective, you'll see. So here is the first command. The first command is fun. Before you roll your eyes and say, what are you even talking about? Why am I saying the word fun? Listen up. Mind prefers to focus on things that are entertaining. For example, if I asked you if you wanted to sit down right now and watch that brand new Netflix series you've been wanting to watch, or if you'd rather sit down and read the encyclopedia, I'm guessing that most of you would rather watch that really great Netflix series because mind is more interested in being entertained than focusing on something that should be done or would bring more value. I mean, you'd probably gain tons of brand new, useful knowledge from reading that encyclopedia, but again, entertainment dominates. So you are going to train your brain that what has value is fun. So most people approach manifestation in this way, and honestly, life in this way, where they think thoughts like, I should be doing blank. Oh, I need to do blank. I have to do, need to do, have to do, need to do, all obligation focused. Instead of focusing on what would be entertaining to do or fun to do, mind is much more receptive to that. I was actually recently trained in this new modality called rapid resolution therapy taught by Dr. John Connolly, and this is kind of a little bit of what he teaches. But anyways, your first command is going to be fun. So you are going to think about something that you want to manifest while saying the command fun and attaching either an image, a feeling, or a thought to go with it. So fun, image, feeling, thought. And here's the thing. It doesn't have to make sense to your conscious mind. Just pick the first thing that pops into your mind when you think of this thing that you want to manifest and think the word fun. And think the command fun. It could be a certain smell, it could be a color, it could be a feeling or an image. Just what comes to your mind immediately. And then you are going to take a deep breath in, seeing that image, that color, that feeling, or that scent, saying the word fun on the inhale and exhale. And you move on to the next command. So again, you're going to think of that symbol, whatever represents fun, that image, feeling, thought, whatever it is. You breathe in, seeing that, thinking the word fun, exhale. Okay? The next command is going to be yes. So often we stop ourselves from doing what we want, like I mentioned, because I should do blank or I need to do blank, that obligation focus. I mean, how many times did you do something out of obligation rather than yes, because you want to? Whether it was following a certain career path or taking a certain job or going to a certain event, because you felt obligated to, even when you didn't want to. Well, this is giving your mind permission to entertain the idea of yes when it comes to this thing that you want to manifest. It's giving yourself permission, yes, it's okay to do this. And again, this command is going to be yes. So again, think about what you want to manifest, the same one you did the first command for. And this time you're going to say the word yes on the inhale while attaching a new either image or feeling or thought to go with it. Again, this does not need to make sense to your logical mind at all. This image could be a pony, it could be a star, it could be a leaf, it could be the smell of your grandma's perfume, okay? Whatever pops up first is fine. Your subconscious mind is providing the symbols for you. Don't overthink it. So again, with the second command, you're going to take a deep breath in, seeing that image, feeling, color, whatever it is, saying the word yes, exhale. You breathe in, say the word command yes, see that symbol that represents it, and then exhale. And then you're going to move on to the final command. This final command is the word more. I have been saying this since the end of 2022, that this is the year of more and more, better and better. That is what this year is for you, okay? More abundance, more wealth, more success, more happiness, more excitement, more. This is a command that your brain actually really knows well. You know when you want more of something. So when you do this final command of more, it essentially triggers your mind to seek more of the last two commands you fed it. Do you see how this works? It kind of builds on each other. So once again, for this final command, choose a certain smell, color, image, feeling, whatever that symbol is, whatever pops into your mind first. When you think of this thing that you want to manifest and thinking the word more, and then you're going to breathe in that symbol, saying the command more, and then exhale. Got it? This 3-command sequence is going to start working to activate parts of your subconscious mind that will then start to bring to the forefront what it is that you're manifesting. I know this might sound a little crazy or outside the box, but your brain operates so well from commands. Trust this little computer in between your ears. So again, the commands are fun, yes, more. Fun, yes, more. Do them in that order. And again, how this is going to work is you're going to say the command fun while thinking of the thing that you want to manifest. See a symbol that pops into your mind, breathe in that symbol, say the command fun, breathe in as much air as you can, exhale fully. Then you're going to think of whatever it is that you're manifesting, the same thing that you chose for part 1. Think the command yes, associate a symbol with that command yes, breathe it in, exhale. And for the final command, say the command more, think of the thing you're manifesting, choose that symbol, breathe it in, and exhale. And on these deep breaths, try and breathe in fully till you can't inhale any more air. And on the exhales, breathe out fully. It can be with sound. It can be however you express that feeling of kind of release and relief. And breathe out till there's no more air left. So you want to take these really full inhales and exhales. You're breathing in fun, exhaling, breathing in yes, exhaling, breathing in more, exhaling. Those are your commands. And I know that might sound like a lot because you've never done this before and it's kind of outside the box. But trust me when I say that once you start doing this, it's actually really simple and easy and powerful, and it really only takes a few minutes. And you can do it as often as you need throughout your day. It's just breathing. It's that simple. Breathing and commands. So comment below if you're going to be trying this out, and I would truly love to hear your results. I make these videos for you to get the most impact. So when you leave me comments and telling me your results, I love hearing them. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell notification so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok at MK Magic Mindset. And if you want to learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.